Hello and welcome back to The Proper Way with your host, Chris Proper. And today I'm going to show you how to replace a doorknob. It sounds really stupid and simple, but if it was that easy, people wouldn't hire me to do it. So I'm going to show you how to do it yourself. And all you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver. And for the sake of simplicity, I would use the same style doorknob you have existing rather than a door latch that, drills down into the door. So first step you're going to do is take your Phillips screwdriver and we're going to remove these screws first.
Why don't you use a drill?
I don't like to use it that often on doorknobs.
Why?
It's hard to get the angle.
Oh, okay.
Because see how the doorknobs can't go square on it.
I got it.
A drill would work fine, but not necessary. Sometimes it's nice to get back to basics. With your free hand, grab a hold of both sides of the doorknob like this so it doesn't come crashing on the floor. Because once the screws are removed, it's likely that it will fall. So as you can see, if it feels stuck, give the knob a little turn. That's the doorknob. Remove those, and remove your tumbler and whatever. So now that we have the old doorknob removed, we will add the new one. So this is a Kwikset brand doorknob. They're really easy to work with. And we're going to assemble it in reverse order we took it apart. If it's not sitting flat, you may be able to take a chisel to it, but I think once the plate's on, it'll be okay. So see how it's kind of ramped up? You want the ramp side facing the door jamb. So it's going to come with 4 screws, 2 sets. The shorter ones will be for the striker, and the long ones will be for the strike plate that go into the door jamb. And this one came with square corners. Not all doors are the same. Some have a rounded corner. But if it came with the square, why not throw it in, right? I like the finish on this.
Yeah, it's nice.
So rather than remove the screws entirely, we can turn it just a bit counterclockwise and it'll come apart like that. Obviously put your keyed side on the outside. If it's not going in smoothly, you can press the striker in a little. And so that's going to stay, just don't knock it too much. And you can see the rounded part there. Match that with the rounded part of the tumbler here. That is the tumbler as it tumbles. There's that. That should snap on. That was kind of a snap. There we go. So we got one side. Some doorknobs have it so the knob itself can be removed and you can screw it together squarely rather than at this angle. Okay, doorknob's installed. Sitting flat on the door. Check for movement. So now we're going to replace the strike plate. If this was painted over too, I'd recommend taking a knife and cutting the paint line so it doesn't peel paint. See, rounded.
Oh, yes, I see.
And lucky for us, they only have rounded for the door jamb. Didn't come with a square one. I don't know. It might be too deep. Yeah, see how shallow this is?
Yeah. So you're gonna have to cut it out. And
Yeah.
It's pretty deep.
That's pretty deep.
So this is why people don't do it themselves.
Probably. I think it would be easier to cut this than
carve that out.
yeah, because see that weather
What,
strip
do you
right
need a
there?
Sawzall?
No, an angle grinder.
Do you have an angle grinder here?
Yeah, I do. So we're only gonna cut maybe 3/16 of an inch off this tab. That wouldn't have cut it. You'd really have to hold it on there to cut it off. Fits nice now. And remember to use remember to use the longer screws for your strike plate. This would be a time to use a drill.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you'll be sitting here all day. So I will be right back to grab my drill. Now use your drill. Now it's a little wonky, but the holes are pre-existing. So,
You're blaming it on the holes.
yeah.
Okay.
I mean, if you wanted, you could put toothpicks in there to plug the hole and drill new ones.
No.
And then use a self-centering drill bit.
Okay, should we test for function?
Yeah, let's test for function. Yeah, and now I'm going to show you one bonus feature that comes with Kwikset doors. These are the keys that came with the new doorknob, but we can rekey this doorknob for the old keys
Oh.
without having to call a locksmith. But you can mess it up. So with most Kwikset doorknobs and door latches, they have what they call a SmartKey. The first step is to insert the new key and then turn 90 degrees clockwise. And then we're going to take this SmartKey. This is the tool that resets the pins inside the lock. And we're going to insert that in this little slot here. And kind of hear it click. It's very faint. Remove that, and then remove the new key. So this is the existing key, and we're going to insert it in the door, and voila. Is it voila or voila? I think it's voila.
I think it's a V.
Yeah, voila.
That's it.
That's it.
Easy breezy.
Yeah. Now let's go show you that it works on this old doorknob. This does not have the SmartKey technology. This is an old key, and it works.
So now that key unlocks both the side and the front door.
That is correct.
Nice.
And we didn't even have to call Rocky. the locksmith.
Don't tell Rocky heavy. Rocky likes the phone calls.
This is that one trick locksmiths hate. Cool. We rekeyed it and switched it out. Thank you, and until next time, stay busy projecting. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and leave any questions in the comments section.